construction workers. You want to see? Good. So, this is, first this is an excavator. I don't know what is that one? So, the excavator can use to dig out of mud or something. And it can take something. So that's one. Now next, this is a concrete. So this can concrete with water. When it concretes, but this is dangerous for kids. Next, this is the fork digger. It can dig anything. And it can do spinning. Look, one, see? That click. See, this is so cool. Now next, this is the drill hole digger. It can drill hole. But if it's too hard, you can't do it as a normal drill. That looks silly like that. Now next, it's a dump truck. And it can dumps all the waste. Like that. And the last one, this is a liquid dump truck. I don't know what kind of dump truck is, but I think we do. So anyways, guys, we learned about constructionists. So if you love them, let me know, okay? See you later.